Hello students, welcome to all in this video tutorial. In this session I will discuss how you can multiply two numbers which are close to 100, 1000, 200 and 50 in 2 to 3 seconds even without using the pen and paper. Okay, let's say two numbers are 105 and 106. So I have taken two numbers which are greater than 100. Okay, so in this step 1 you have to find out the difference of the number with 100. So you have to find out the n minus 100. So you have to find out the 105 minus 100. So that will give you the 5. You have to write down this 5 in the opposite side or in the crisscross fashion. So 105 minus 100, that give you 5. Similar way 106 minus 100 will give you the 6. Okay, so 106 minus 100 is 6. Okay, now you have to add these two terms. So 105 plus 6, that will give you the triple one. Okay, thereafter you have to multiply this number by the hundreds. Because we have taken the base as 100, these two numbers are close to 100. So you have to multiply this number by 100. So you will get 11100. Okay. Thereafter you have to take the product of these two numbers. So 6 into 5, that is 30, and you have to add the product with the number. Okay. So you will get 11130, and this will be your answer. I hope so. This is very simple. Okay. Now move for the next question. Let's say you have to multiply 112 and 150. So again, I have taken two numbers which are close to 100. So first you have to find out the difference of the number with the 100. So you have to find out the n minus 100. So 112 minus 100 will give you 12. And you have to write down this difference in the crisscross fashion. So 112 minus 100, that will give you 12. Similarly, 115 minus 100, that will give you the 15. Add these two numbers, either add these two numbers or add these two numbers, you will get the same addition, 127. Then multiply this number by the 100 or just simply add two zeros. Okay. Thereafter take the product of these two numbers, 15 and 12. That will give you the 180. Okay. So 15 into 12, that will give you the 180. And you have to add this number with the 127,000. Okay, so you will get 12880. Okay, so this will be your answer. Next, I am going to take the two numbers which are close to 100 but less than 100. Let's say that two numbers are 95 and 97. So I have taken two numbers. These are close to 100 but less than 100. Okay, the steps remain same. You have to find out the difference of the number and 100. So n minus 100. And you have to write down the difference in the crisscross fashion. So 95 minus 100 will give you the minus 5. 97 minus 100 will give you the minus 3. So add these two numbers, either add these two or add these two. So you will get 92. Okay. Thereafter you have to multiply this number by 100 or simply add two zeros. So you will get 9200. Okay. Now take the product of these two numbers, minus 3 and minus 5. So the product comes to be 15. Add the 15. So you have to this has to come 9215. Okay. So this will be your answer. Next, I will take two numbers where one number will be greater than 100 and one number will be smaller than 100. Okay. So let's say the numbers are 103 and 91. Okay. So the steps remain same. First, you have to find out the n minus 100. So 103 minus 100, that will give you the plus 3. Okay. 91 minus 100, that this will give you the minus 9. Add these two numbers. So either add these two numbers or add these two numbers. In both the case, you have to get the same additions, 94. Okay. Thereafter, you have to multiply this number by 100 or simply you have to add two zeros. Okay. Then take the product of these two numbers, minus 9 and plus 3. So one number is negative and one number is positive. So your product comes to be minus 27. Add these two numbers. So you will get 9363. Okay. So this will be your answer. 9373. So this will be your answer. Okay. Next, I am going to take two numbers which are close to 1000. So let's say the two numbers are 1012 and 1005. Okay, The steps remain same. Now we are taking two numbers which are close to 1000, so we can consider the base as 1000. Okay, so take the difference of the number and with the 1000, so n minus 1000, so you will get 12 and you will get 5. Just add these two numbers, so you will get 1017. Here you have to take the product with 1000, so you have to multiply by 1000 or just add three zeros, 1017. Okay, now you have to take the product of these two numbers 5 and 12, so 5 into 12, that gave you 60, so add the 60, so your answer comes to be 101760. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, next I am taking two numbers which are close to 1000 but less than 2000. So let's say two numbers are 992 and 998. Okay, so first you have to find out the difference of the number with 1000. So you have to find out the n minus 1000. So 992 minus 1000, this will give you the minus 8. Okay, similarly 998 minus 1000, so this will give you the minus 2. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers, so this will give you the 990. Okay, thereafter you have to multiply by 1000, so simply add the three zeros. Okay, thereafter you have to take the product of these two numbers, so minus 2 and minus 8 will give you 16, so add the 16. Okay, so your answer comes to be 99016. Okay, so this will be your answer. You can check with the calculator. Okay, okay, next I have to take two numbers where one number is greater than 1000 and one number is less than 1000. Okay, the steps remain same. First you have to find out the n minus 1000. Okay, so 1012 minus 1000, that comes to be plus 12. Okay, 993 minus 1000, this will give you the minus 7. Okay, signs are very important. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers, or you can add these two numbers, so you will get 1005. Okay, thereafter we have to multiply by 1000, or you have to just simply add three zeros. Okay, now you have to take the product of these two numbers. 12 7 is 84, but that comes off the negative. Now you have to add these two numbers, so 1004,916. So this will be your answer. Okay, I hope so. You have understand how you can multiply two numbers which are close to 1000. Okay, next we are going to move taking two numbers which are close to 200. So let's say I have taken two numbers 209 and 206. Okay, so the steps remain same. First you have to find out the n minus 200. Why 200? Because now the base is 200, these two numbers are close to 200. So first you will get 209 minus 200, that will give you 9. Similarly 206 minus 200 will give you 6. Okay, now add these two numbers, so 209 plus 6, that will give you the 250. Okay, in both the case you will get 250. Now multiply this number by 200, so you will get 43000. Okay, now take the product of these two numbers. 9 6 is 54, add 54 on this number. Okay, so you will get 43054. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, next I am going to take two numbers where one number is greater than 200 and one number is smaller than 200. Okay, so let's say I have taken 209 and 196. So 209 minus 200 will give you the plus 9, and 196 minus 200 will give you the minus 4. So you have to write down minus 4. Okay, now you can add these two numbers, or just you have to add these two numbers. Okay, so you will get 205. Okay, now you have to multiply this number by 200, so you will get 410, and you will have to add 20. Okay, thereafter take the product of these two numbers. 9 into 4 36, but this 36 of negative sign, so minus 36. Okay, thereafter you have to add these two numbers, so you will get 40964. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, next we are going to take two numbers which are close to 50. So let's say I have taken two numbers 54 and 52. Okay, the steps remains same. So these two numbers are close to 50, so I will take n minus 50 first. So you will get plus 4 and you will plus 2. So 54 plus 2, 56. Okay, now multiply this number by 50. So on multiplying with 50 you will get 2800. Okay, now take the product of these two numbers, plus 2 and plus 4, so you will get 8. So your answer comes to be 2808. Okay, you can match with the calculator. The answer remains 2808. Okay, next I have to take two numbers. I have taken two numbers, let's say 47 and 43. Both these numbers are less than 50. Okay, so 47 minus 50, that will give you the minus 3, and 43 minus 50 will give you the minus 7. Okay, just add these two numbers, so you will get 40. Multiply this number by 50, so you will get 2000. Take the product of these two numbers, 7 into 3 minus 7 minus into 3 will give you the plus 21. Add these two numbers, you will get 2021. Okay, okay. One last question. So I have taken two numbers where one number is greater than 50 and one number is smaller than 50. So let's say two numbers are 52 and 46. Okay, so first you have to find out the 52 minus 50, so that will give you the plus 2. 46 minus 50, that will give you the minus 4. Add these two numbers, you will get 48. Multiply this number by 50, so you will get 2400. Okay, now take the product of these two numbers, minus 4 and plus 2, so that will give you the minus 8. Okay, 2400 minus 8, that will give you 2392. So this will be your answer. Okay, I hope so you have enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching the session. In the next session I will discuss how you can multiply any two digits numbers, how you can find the squares of two numbers, how you can find the square roots of numbers or cube roots of number within a 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, thanks and goodbye to everyone.